Every time we come to Magic Kingdom, don't sleep on LeFou's Brew, man. LeFou's Brew is a good drink, way better than the Star Wars milks, and I'm a Star Wars guy, but I will take a LeFou's Brew over a green or blue milk any day. After quite a bit of a line, I got my LeFou's Brew. It's like apple juice and frozen Minute Maid and something sweet. I don't know, I like it. Okay. Good. So Ellie Belly, how would you describe the taste of LeFou's Brew?
It tastes like apple. It kind of tastes like and you should just
As she reaches for it. Apparently the kid quite likes LeFou's Brew.
I like it.
This was supposed to be our drink and it keeps going over here. What are you gonna do?
For more dad adventures, go to youtube.com/dadgotthis.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.